Hi folks, Chris Anderson from Mount Comfort RV. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new floor plan. This is a Canyon Star. By the way, this is a 2020 Canyon Star. This is not our unit. We're going to order one very similar to this. We'll probably change some colors up here and there. But this was probably, if I was giving out ribbons and best of show for the Newmar Dealer Show, I would probably give this the best of show as far as unique new floor plan, something I've never seen before. So let's get right to it. This is a triple slide. We have a full wall slide on the driver's side over here. And then we have a slide for the dinette on the door side, which I like having the dinette on the door side. Makes a lot of sense because when we put that televator down, that's actually a nice window behind there and you're looking out onto your patio. That's not your neighbor's patio. That's where your picnic table is going to be, your fire ring, your family and children and grandchildren, whatever. So good placement here as far as this goes. We come back, of course, you can get a booth dinette. I'm sure you can get a different style dinette in there as well. If you wanted a table and chairs, we could probably do that. Although I think in this application, probably some sort of booth makes the most sense. 3-cushion sofa, as we talked about. Come back through here, our kitchen. We have the 50/50 sink, and it's stainless and it's undermount. There are sink covers that go in there, and an undermount 3-burner cooktop as well, so it gives us a lot of countertop space when those things are in place. 30-inch residential microwave, and that is a convection oven also. And the nice part about the convection oven is when you put that in, you're not messing with an oven down here. You have 3 more drawers, and most RVers would tell you the storage space is a lot more important than that gas oven. Notice these are soft closed drawers. Just get them close and they'll pull themselves in the rest of the way. If we open this up, this is going to be a little harder to video, so we're not in our own way. What a wonderful pantry. Right here across from the kitchen, what are there, 7 or 8 shelves there? Lots of space here. And nothing, the thing that's nice about this is nothing can be buried at the back. You know how so many times on those really deep pantries, you have to dig all the way to the back to get what you really want. With that, it's all right there. This one is optioned in with a central vac. Now, the bathroom, all-in-one bathroom here. Showers to the left as you walk in, sinks right in front of you, and the stools to the right. Good storage. I'm just going to kind of stay out of the way and narrate. We do have a residential fridge. This is an 11 cubic foot residential refrigerator that runs off of the inverter. And then we come back here to a king size bed. So very nice floor plan. Big wardrobe here. And as I walked through, what struck me with this floor plan is just found myself asking, really, what else could you want in a great gas floor plan? And I saw this door and I thought, well, this must be a nice closet back here. Oh, this is not a closet at all. We'll let Rusty get in there. We have 2 bunk beds. Nice little storage nooks in there. Look at the storage back here. This is a wardrobe and then a double wardrobe. And then add to that, it has a half bathroom hidden back here in the very back. It's got its own sink, its own storage, and it's actually roomy in there. It's not a tight area. How they crammed all of this into 39 feet, I do not know. Nice vessel sink there. But this is like I said, I would give this the best of show. It was a complete motorhome when it ended right here. But it doesn't end right here. You have this extra 6 or 8 feet back here that they've made into wonderful bunk beds and a half bath and wardrobe storage. What an awesome floor plan on a gas platform. So I hope to see more of floor plans like this from Newmar, but this is our 2020 Canyon Star 3929. With questions about this, please don't hesitate to call me. Thanks for watching.